This is our 2011 335i built motor, bagged. Basically everything you can think of is done to this car. Someone asked for a POV drive of this thing, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. It has a straight pipe, essentially. Bagged 1552 wheels, pure turbos, stage 2. We'll do a drive. We're following gauge, going to drop this car off for an alignment. Might as well take the E90. This is actually my first time driving it. And this motor is still on break-in, so I'm not pushing it, not gonna push it too hard, but this thing's fun to drive. I didn't know it had that blow-off. That blow-off sounded amazing. And the pops. You can't hear the actual turbo spool up too much, but the blow-off sounds sick. Okay, now I'm gonna be quiet for pretty much the remainder of this video, just so you can get pure noises. Sounds sick.